Okay, we practiced 1.8b, and this is further practice of Surds. Give each answer in the exercise in its simplest form. So when we look at the first question, that is 2 square root 5 plus 10 square root 5. So in addition, what do we do? We used to add the external numbers. Exercise 1.8c. The 2 square root 5 plus 10 square root 5 will be 10 plus 2 is 12 square root 5. Someone would also feel comfortable by writing them as common first, such as 2 square root 5 plus 10 square root 5. If you take out square root 5 as common, you're left with 2 plus 10. So which is again 12 square root 5. If you're comfortable, you can write the answer directly. Try C part. B is again easy. So this is 10 square root 3 plus square root 75. Now we know that there is a hint. I should get something as square root 3 on right hand side as well, or else I cannot add them. So when we solve 75, 3 25 times, 5 5 times, and 5 1. So this 5 comes out and 3 remains inside because 5 is in pair. So 10 square root 3 plus 5 square root 3. So we can write them as 10 plus 5 is 15 square root 3. Go ahead, try D part. Square root 50 plus square root 18.
So this will be 8 under root 2.
8 under root 2, yes. Definitely, we can do this with calculator. There's no restriction. So quickly just doing it. 2, 25, and I know that 25 is 5
Yes,
square.
sir.
I'm writing 5 square root 2. When I deal with 18, this is 2, 9, and I know 9 is 3 square. So 3 comes out and 2 stays inside. So 8 plus 3, 5 plus 3 is 8 square root 2. Are is clear?
Yes, sir.
Question 2 is same. It is just giving that statement, give the answer in a square root b form, just like this. Look at question number 3. Question number 3, A part. Square root 27 plus 2 square root 75 is equal to k square root 3. Square root 75 we just did, which was 5 square root 3. I'm just copying it. 5 square root 3. And 27 is 3, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So 3 comes outside and 1, 3 stays inside, is equals to k square root 3. So now this is 2, 5 times 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 square root 3 is equal to k square root 3. Therefore, k is equals to 13. Try C part. Question 3, C part.
So 68.
So step by step, if I deal with square root 45 first, 45 divided by 3 is 15, divided by 3 is 5, divided by 5 is 1. So I have one pair 3 that comes outside, 3 square root 5 plus 2 square root k is equals to 7 square root 5. Now I'm taking this 3 square root 5 on right hand side. 2 square root k stays here, 7 square root 5 minus 3 square root 5. So right hand side is 7 minus 3 is 4 square root 5, and on left hand side we have 2 square root k. Now if I keep this 2 outside, if I have to find k, I have to see left hand side should be equal to right hand side. So I'm writing it as 2 into 2 into 5 and 2 square root k. If I take this 2 inside, we know that when we bring it outside, we cancel the square. So when it is going inside, this would be 4. So 2 square root k is equal to 2 square root 20. Therefore, k is equals to 20. Any issue when in this step, when I took this 2 inside and made it 4?
No, sir.
We can also write it this way, 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 into 4 square root into square root 5. Now these two are mathematically equal. So we multiply inside square roots. So this is 2 square root 20. Now you can compare these two. So k is equals to 20.
Yes, sir.
I'm going for question number 7. 12 square root 7 plus 6 square root 7 over 3 square root 7. So 12 plus 6 is 18 over 3. Square root cancels out, 3 1 times, 3 6 times. So answer is 6. Solve question number 8. Use your calculator. Square root 600 plus square root 24 divided by square root 288. Use your calculator and let me know what you get.
Sir, we can get answer in points. Like
We
if
should
you.
get answer in under root, third form.
3.
Oh, okay.
Or
Yeah,
3.
3 in the root.
Square root 3. Next topic is rationalizing. बेटे वर्कशीट जरूर करनी है, वो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म वाली बहुत अच्छी है.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is rationalizing the denominator basically? So whatever you will be having in the denominator, for example, if we have a over b, what will we do? We will multiply and divide with the denominator to simplify. This is one case. And if we have more than one term in the denominator, for example, a over b plus c. So this is the question. What will we do? A over b plus c, we will multiply with its conjugate. That means we change the sign of the second term, b minus c over b minus c. And why are we doing this? Because b plus c into b minus c, in this case in the denominator, this is the algebraic expression, a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So most of the cases when there are surds, these squares will help us get rid of them. So this is how we will do rationalizing. Let's jump to the exercise directly. So the first one is 1 over square root 11. So what do? We multiply and divide with the denominator. So in numerator 1 into square root 11 is the same, and in denominator it is 11. So this is your final answer. In denominator now there is only an integer and no surd and nothing. I'm looking at C part. This is 5 over 2 minus square root 3. Now what do? Multiply and divide with the denominator but with its conjugate. So we change the sign of second form, second term. So 2 plus square root 3 over 2 plus square root 3. Mathematically no change. We multiplied and divided with the same number. So 5 into 2 is 10 plus 5 square root 3. And in the denominator, this is a minus b into a plus b. That will be a square minus b square. So what's happening? The square is helping us get rid of that root. So 10 plus 5 square root 3 divided by 2 square is 4 minus 3. 10 plus 5 square root 3 over 1. And final answer is 10 plus 5 square root 3. Consider an example. If we would have got 10 plus 5 square root 3 divided by 3, and we'll be writing 10 by 3 plus 5 by 3 square root 3. We can also split them. Okay. Try question number 6, A part. 1 over 5 plus square root 3.
5 minus under root 3 over 22.
That's right. Ali, do we have the same answer?
Yes, sir.
1 over 5 plus square root 3 is 5 minus square root 3 over 5 minus square root 3. So that is 1. It stays as it is. And in the denominator, we have a square minus b square. So 5 minus square root 3 over 25 minus 3, which is 5 minus square root 3 by 22. Rationalizing is done, and we can also split them. Both are acceptable if you leave it in the second last form. Okay, try question number 7. The area of the rectangle is 30. Area is equals to 30 centimeter square. Find x. So length is unknown and one of the side is 3 square root 2. Give your answer in form a square root b, where a and b are integers. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area is given 30. Length is unknown. Breadth is 3 square root 2. Can you solve that to find x? Are you doing it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Still doing it?
Yes, sir.
That was simple. 30 divided by 3 square root 2 is equals to x.
Oh, oh, yes.
So 3 1 times, 3 10 times. Now x is equals to 10 divided by square root 2. Now we rationalize. 10 divided by square root 2 into square root 2 by square root 2. So 10 square root 2 over 2. 2 1 times, 2 5 times. 5 square root 2 centimeters is your answer. Mm. Question number 10. Expand and simplify. 2 minus 2 square root 5 into 1 plus 3 square root 5. Now, all of these could be done with calculator, but it won't show you the working steps. So 2 into both of them. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6 square root 5. Second one, 2 into 1 is minus 2 square root 5. And 2 into 3 is minus 6. And square root 5 into square root 5 is 5. So 2, 6 minus 2 is 4. 6, 5 times is 30. This is minus 28 plus 4 square root 5. Question number 11 says the triangle ABC has a right angle at C. All lengths are measured in centimeters. Find the value of x. How will we do this? Right angle triangle is given. All three sides are given, and we have to find the missing value, which is x. X plus square root 3 x minus square root 3 2 square root 14. Any idea how we can find x? Aris Ali, anyone?
Uh,
Sir, we have to.
G, what will we do?
Sir, um, uh, we'll add them maybe. No, it's a triangle.
A square plus b square is equal to c square.
Yes, Pythagoras theorem.
Yes.
Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square, or a square plus b square is equal to c square, where c is hypotenuse in this case. So the longest side is 2 square root 14, or that is opposite to 90 degrees. And the other two, x plus square root 3 and x minus square root 3. So 2 square is 4 and square root 14 square is 14. Now this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Again a square minus 2ab minus b square. 14 into 4 is 56. X square, that was 3, this was 3. So positive and negative cancels out, and positive and negative again cancels out. X square and x square is 2x square. So 56 divided by 2 is 28. X square is equals to 28. X is equals to square root 28. And square root 28 is 2 square root 7. Try question number 14, A and then B. 25 by 3, power is 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, power is minus 1 by 2, and we have to write it in this form: a over b square root c. हो रहा है बेटे सॉल्व?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Two over three root 3.
2 over 3 and root 3. Ali, what are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, too.
Same, because I didn't do
Yes,
it.
sir.
So I'm quickly doing it. 25 square root
Okay.
is 5 and square root 3. On the other side, power is negative, so I'm taking reciprocal and making a positive power. So 5 by square root 3 minus square root 3. I'm taking LCM. Square root 3, 5 minus square root 3 into square root 3 is 3. 2 by square root 3. Now we rationalize into square root 3 over square root 3. So 2 square root 3 over 3. Very good, RS and Ali.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, B part. 8 1 by 3 minus 16 by 3 power 1 by 2 plus 2 square root 3. Still doing it?
Sir, I got it. It's 7 over 3 under root. No. 7 under
Sir,
root 3 over 3.
That's right. Ali, what about you?
1 second, sir. I was getting it.
अली बेटे कहाँ स्टक है?
सर बस एक थी। हाँ, एक चीज मैं भूल गया था। Stop. Yes, I got the same. Yes, sir. Seven.
Okay.
Yes.
This next exercise is just on the use of calculator. Most of the students do not know how to use it, where to put the brackets and so on. So let's just quickly check if we get same answers. Try question number 18. I'm also doing it and we'll share our answers. Directly punch it in your calculator.
Okay, sir.
Sir, 0.78
Zero point.
768.
Yes,
less
seven
than
six eight.
68.
Yes, okay. Now try 23.
0.21.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now try this 43.
Minus 0.575. Two.
Correct.
Yes, sir. Magic.
Number 6.
22,183,8,380, something like that. It's 0.793.
Yes. Very good.
So,
So you don't have any issues in using calculator.
also.
Okay, we have this one last exercise for this chapter, and collectively one worksheet is shared for standard form. You've practiced some questions for Surds. You know how to use the calculator, and this is the last one, 1.9. So if you get time during these days before our next class, do go through this, or else inshallah we'll do it in the next class. If you've already covered it, we'll jump on to chapter number 2. And please just type chapter numbers in WhatsApp group which you've already covered at school.
Yes, sir.
so I can prepare a small test accordingly.
Yes.
Anything you would like to ask?
No, sir.
See you in next class then.
Okay, sir.
Take care.
Love.
I love
Love you, sir.
Love this.
you guys.